Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. In today's video, I will show you how to make a DIY backdrop for a birthday celebration. First of all, I'll show you how to make 3 different flowers using crepe paper.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
Moving on to the backdrop part, here I am taking a cotton saree. I ruffle one of its end and I am securing it with an elastic band. I am using the same elastic band to hang it on a hook. Then I am folding for 4 times and I am partitioning 2 folds on each side. I am securing the fold with the hook using a safety pin. Then I'm pinning all of the DIY flowers to the saree. We used cycle pump to blow the balloon. So here is the final reveal, guys. I hope you all like this idea. Please let me know in the comment section. Also, I made the happy birthday card and the name card using chart paper and sketch pens. Then I added some serial lights. I made this DIY backdrop setup for my niece's second birthday. So here are the few shots from her birthday celebration. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep supporting, guys. Bye.